Right now, as we speak, 4 out of every 5 knowledge workers are operating under a massive psychological delusion. They believe their current professional skill set will remain stable for the next decade. The data says they are architecturally obsolete. According to the definitive World Economic Forum Future of Jobs report, an astonishing 2/5, exactly 39%, of core workplace skills will be entirely disrupted, rendered useless by the end of this decade. We are talking about advanced machine intelligence, hollowing out mid-career coordination and legal processing. Welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Usman Zafar. In our previous masterclasses, we analyzed how cognitive cities use physical automation. But next-generation smart cities are built on data loops, and a data loop is only as strong as the human capital running it. Today, we are looking past the AI training hype to uncover the brutal reality of the 2026 skills crisis. And I will hand you the exact 3-layer architecture required to future-proof your career from algorithmic obsolescence. Let's address the elephant in the boardroom. Organizations are pouring billions into learning and development. Institutional data reveals that 82% of enterprise leaders have deployed AI training, yet nearly 60% report a massive, widening AI skills gap. This is the training paradox. Why isn't traditional education working? The answer is structural failure. Traditional upskilling is too slow. By the time a curriculum gets approved, the underlying foundational code base has already mutated. If your daily work involves routine data compilation or standard bureaucratic reporting, you are sitting in an optimization target zone. The system does not need a human worker to copy data. It requires an architect to manage the entire processing loop. To survive this paradigm shift, your capability matrix must be rebuilt like a smart city utility. Layer 1 is basket decoupling. Stop viewing your profession as a singular job title. Decouple your career into a precise basket of explicit tasks and workflows. Identify every routine task you perform and intentionally automate it yourself before your corporate finance officer does it for you. Layer 2 is Agentic orchestration. The premium skill set of 2026 is no longer basic prompt engineering. The market has moved past that. The demand is for professionals who understand how to orchestrate multi-agent systems, connecting models to operational databases. Design continuous workflows that execute corporate logic independently while you sleep. This is the new high-value orchestration. Layer 3 is assurance auditing. As machine intelligence handles more execution, the biggest liability is algorithmic bias and hallucinations. The most sought-after skill is the ability to audit, validate, and stress test machine output to ensure it won't break the balance sheet. This 3-layer shift is rewriting how talent is procured. Elite smart city states are transitioning into liquid capability tracking. Leading cognitive master plans no longer care about your resume. They use digital twins to simulate live infrastructure crises. If your skills cannot perform inside the simulation, you will never get an opportunity to manage the real-world asset. This is an incredible opportunity for small and medium enterprises. You can now leverage highly agile, precision upskilled professionals. The macroeconomic message of 2026 is unyielding. Education is no longer a historical milestone. It is a liquid, continuous data asset. The system is optimizing. Will your capability matrix be classified as a high-margin asset or a structural liability? Drop your sector in the comments. Hit that subscribe button. Access the operational blueprint in my book, available on Amazon. Visit usmanzafar.com to join the strategic conversation. Stay sharp, stay analytical, and I will see you in the next masterclass.